Hi Data Analytics class, welcome to an analysis on meditation and productivity. Today's practice is going to be about the opportunity to improve my focus, promote a calm environment, and better regulate stress levels. Determine what duration of meditation will give best results in terms of focused work in a day, with the hope to have improved decision making in my work and study and possibly integrating meditation to more areas of my life, such as work. Meditation has stress-reducing and mind-calming benefits. The objective is to improve concentration and focus during productivity tasks. So as we begin to understand whether meditation is connected to productivity, let us get in a comfortable position with our spine straight. Take a deep breath in, inhale and exhale. My question is, how does meditation duration, measured in minutes per day, affect productivity quantitatively measured in minutes per day and qualitatively measuring the quality of work on a scale of 1 to 5 and qualitatively measuring meditation focus on a scale of 1 to 5 throughout the day over a 4-week period? Sub-question is there a correlation between sleep and productivity? And the second sub-question is there a correlation between exercise and productivity? For my strategy, I collected my data on meditation on an app called the Insight Timer. I collected the data on productivity, sleep, and exercise in Excel. I collected qualitative data on level of productivity on a Likert-style scale of 1 to 5, where each level was defined, such as 1 being very poor to 5 being very good. I also collected qualitative data on level of focus in meditation on a scale of 1 to 5 where each level was defined, such as 1 being much less focus and 5 being much more focus. Risks that I encountered are that the sample may not be representative of an average day, since this data is collected during the busy time of the semester with increased assignments and deadlines. Could test the reasonableness of the sample. There could be other confounding variables that are interfering with the reliability of the information models. Would be best to add more confounding variables to test for. Lastly, the sample size may be too small for accurate inferences. Ways to improve this is to gather more data. I spent a week collecting data and noticed a potential positive relationship in the data. I decided to carry on with this analysis. I would try doing the same analysis in a less busy and stressful time to see the difference. I would change the productivity scales, which are 1 to 5, in a way that I would be able to create more meaningful visualizations with them. I was not seeing as much of a relationship in the data, so I decided to vary the meditation in incremental increases in meditation time from 10 minutes to 20 minutes to 30 minutes to 40 minutes. This allowed me to see a steady improvement in productivity as the meditation duration changed. I also increased the amount of time I gathered the data over in order to account for the meditation incremental changes. Next, I discuss visualizations. This is a correlation analysis. I used a scatter chart to show a data relationship. A correlation data relationship shows the degree to which two variables move in the same or opposite directions. We have meditation minutes on the x-axis and productivity in minutes on the y-axis. The trend line here shows a moderately positive correlation, and the correlation here is 0.55. Here I have used a time series pattern. I have created a clustered column chart using meditation minutes on the x-axis and productivity in minutes on the y-axis. Here we can see as the meditation minutes increases, the productivity increases as well. This is a pivot table analysis of meditation versus productivity. Here we see that at 10 minutes of meditation, we have 139 minutes of productive work. And at 40 minutes of meditation, we have an average productive work of 434 minutes. So here we see that as the increments of meditation increase, so do the productive work in minutes. This is a correlation analysis of quality of work on a scale of 1 to 5 and meditation focus on a scale of 1 to 5. Here we have a correlation of 0.434. This shows us a moderate relationship. This is a nominal comparison of hours of productive work per each week. The nominal variable here is week, and the numeric variable is the number of productive work minutes. Here, one circle means 60 minutes and below. 3 circles means 61 to 180 minutes of productive work. And 5 circles means 181 to 400 minutes of productive work. And the 8 circles means above 400 minutes of productive work. From this visualization, we see that sleep and productivity are not correlated. This visualization answers my second sub-question, that there is no correlation between exercise and productivity. My analysis makes sense, and my question of whether meditation duration affects productivity is answered, and it is true that it does affect productivity. Also, my sub-question is false. There is no correlation between sleep and productivity, and my second sub-question is also false. There is no correlation between exercise and productivity. The results are reasonable, and further analysis is recommended over a longer period of time and vary time. This was during a busy and more stressful period than a different month may be. Also, more variation in the length of meditation would be useful to see. As we near the end of this productivity and meditation analysis, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. May you have a successful and productive days ahead. Good luck.